Hello, this is Steve, the mediocre maintenance man. So, have you ever pulled up some carpet and you got some carpet pad you're trying to pull up and you get all these staples that are in the subfloor and you're like, how in the world am I going to get those out? Well, are you in for a treat? Because I'm going to show you how the mediocre maintenance man gets those staples out quick and easy and mediocrely. Okay, here are the tools you will need for this job. A pair of gloves and a flat bar. Alright, so here's a staple that's in, and here's one, still has some pad in it. So here you take your flat bar, I'm holding it like this, and you just give it a little boom. Look at that, that's out, and here's one, boom. And that one is out, see? Super easy. Actually a little easier if there is some carpet pad underneath it because they're not all the way down to the floor, but you can just kind of go along and scrape along. I think that was my last two, so anyway, quick and easy. There you go. So we're in luck. I found another staple that I missed. So here you go. And it's out. All right.